In this video, I am going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. Firstly, I'll explain you each and everything, and then I will tell you how exactly you can do affiliate marketing in this simple way in order to make money online with paid ads in short term and with free organic traffic in long term. So if you understand this whole concept, then no one can stop you from making money with affiliate marketing for lifelong. So if you are just getting started with affiliate marketing, do watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So I have pulled out some of the sites that are actually running ads at this current time, okay, and I'll show you where they are running these ads. But firstly, let me show you what are the products they are promoting. All of these products are affiliate product that they are promoting, okay, and all of these sites are promoting pretty similar type of products. As you can see, a Nutrisystem, Keto Cycle, Noom, you can see. So there is another site that is called Offer Vault, okay. So now this site will help you to find out the exact affiliate network that has this kind of affiliate product. So the first thing that these people did is they created this kind of simple website, okay, and it is easy to own this kind of website. I will tell you exactly how you can own this kind of website in few minutes. So firstly, they created this kind of website where they are promoting like top 5, top 10 weight loss product, okay. And then let's say you found that they are promoting this Noom weight loss product. So now what you can do is you can simply visit to offervault.com, or what you can do in a simple way is simply type on Google Offervault and you will easily find this website, okay. You can click on it and you will visit to this site. Now what you can do is you can simply type Noom at here, okay, the affiliate product that you want to find out, and then click on this search. Now you will be able to see all of the affiliate network that has this product and the payout that these affiliate network are paying. So this Smash Loud is affiliate network which you can join in a simple way by filling out their joining form, and then you will be able to get your unique affiliate link for this affiliate product. And if you are able to own this kind of site, then you can simply put that affiliate link at here, okay. It is as simple as that, and you can find out all of these other products, where are they. I'll again simply show you about this Nutrisystem. So let's again go to Offer Vault and type Nutrisystem, and then click on search, and you can see where this Nutrisystem affiliate program are available. So Ambala affiliate, Innovis Media, and how much the payout is for this product. So you can simply join any of this network and get your unique affiliate link and then put it at here. So in the first step, you need this kind of website, simple website, and then you need this Offer Vault to find out where these affiliate products are actually available. Okay, so once you have this kind of website with your unique affiliate link all linked at here, then now you need people to come to this website. So to get traffic, what they are doing is, firstly let's see the URL of this website. So as you can see here, the top 10 weight loss plans.com. so this is the URL of the website, okay, and this exact page is being promoted in Microsoft ad. I mean, it is being promoted by using Microsoft ad, and it is being promoted in bing.com. So as you can see, the top 10 weight loss plans.com. In case if you don't know what Bing is, then Bing is a search engine that is pretty similar to Google, but it is not as popular as Google, but it has billions of traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate products in order to make money online in an easy way. So in a nutshell, they firstly got their affiliate link, they build a website, and then they promoted it in bing.com by using Microsoft ads, by targeting the keyword like weight loss programs, weight loss supplement, or weight loss product. They are targeting these kind of keywords to show their ad. So there are other also like top 5 weight loss programs, as you can see here. Similarly, if you scroll below, so all of these are ad, okay, as you can see here, ad. Let's scroll below and see if there are more ads. 10 best weight loss program. Okay, so this is a proven process, proven method that you can use to make money for yourself in an easy way. Now I'll explain you exactly how you can do each and everything. So first thing is you need to build this kind of website, and you can use WordPress to build this kind of website. And I have a video tutorial where I've shown you how you can create a free WordPress website with free domain and hosting. You can watch this video tutorial so that you will have a proper understanding on how you can create a WordPress website. I'll give the link of this video in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and watch it. And then what you can do is you can go to fiverr.com and hire someone to create this exact type of website, by using WordPress. Now with this tutorial you will learn how to create a WordPress website, and then you can hire someone to create this exact website for you, so that once you learn how you can build a WordPress website yourself, then you can edit all of these things. Okay, and you can also watch other tutorials related to WordPress so that you can be a little bit more smart on using changing links, editing text, and these things. That would be the first step. Now in second step, you can simply visit to OfferBot and find out all of these affiliate offers and join their affiliate network. And the third thing is you need to get traffic from bing.com, and for that I have a special tutorial where I have shown you step by step how you can create and run your ad campaign by using Microsoft Ad in an easy way. And even if you don't know how to create Microsoft Ad account, then I have another tutorial where I have shown you how you can create your own Microsoft Ad account and get some ad coupon after spending few amounts in Microsoft Ad. And I'll put all of these links in the description of this YouTube video. You can simply click on it and watch it all. So guys, for more interesting videos, please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.